Hi, everyone. Welcome to another edition of the Law Lounge with Silva. I'm your favorite criminal defense attorney at Silva. I just did a video on what to expect if you're an adult and you got arrested and you're due in court. Now I want to talk about children. What happens when your child is arrested? It can be so scary, and this is for California. What happens if your child is arrested? In the state of California, a lot of the times the child will remain out of custody unless they're a danger to the public. So I want to talk about if your child is out of custody. The first thing that happens is there's a court date. On that very first day of court, what's ironic about juvenile practice is that there's actually going to be a probation officer assigned from the very beginning. And what they'll do is they'll call the parents after they make an appointment, or the parents will go in person, and the probation will ask a series of questions to the parents about the child. Now, you don't have to talk about the facts of the case. In fact, most probation officers know not to do that. But why the probation officer is doing what they're doing is because in about 30 to 45 days, they're going to recommend to the court what they think should happen to your child. It could be they should stay out, just stay on probation, get a diversion where they'll have no record from the outset. They will make a determination, and a lot of times in the state of California, the judge really takes what they suggest seriously. So you just want to make sure you have your child's grades, make sure that the child is doing well in school, and if the child isn't, put them on the right track by scaring them and saying, look, you got to do well in school. They have to go to school every day. They have to stay out of trouble. And if you can get therapy involved, which always helps a situation when there's a court case, that is really essential. It will allow the judge and the prosecutor to see that the child is getting help and will likely never commit an offense again. The other really important thing is, please hire someone who's done juvenile defense, because the adult system is very different than the juvenile system. And a lot of times lawyers are desperate for money, and even though they know they have no experience in juvenile defense, they'll actually lie and say they do have it. But check the attorney's reviews, check their history, make sure that they can tell you how many juvenile cases they've done and how much experience they have. Hire someone that knows what they're doing. Trust me, you'll save a lot of money and time when you hire the right person. Okay, everyone, take care. And yeah, let me know what you want to talk about.